Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y76, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to system, select reset options, and then select erase all data, factory reset. Now this will bring up a message letting you know what it removes. So the most important things that it gets rid of are things like your music, photos, and user data. So if there's anything of that sort that you'd like to keep that is stored locally in your phone, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to back up anything, you can proceed by selecting erase all data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here. As you can see, I do have a pattern. Once you confirm it, it will take you to the next page. So right here, select erase all data, and this will now begin the process. Now the entire process will probably take about like 1 to 5 minutes tops, I assume. And once it's finished, we should be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.